It's the start of a new year. If you have any real estate plans this year, you want to watch this video. What's the interest rate forecast? According to the mortgagereports.com, today's 30-year rates as of January 6 are 7% for conventional and FHA, 6.8% VA. Now don't be misled if a lender or bank is advertising a rate in the low sixes for a 30-year loan, even 6.25%. Check the fine print. That's the rate after buying down points. What will happen in 2025? The mortgagereports.com conducted a panel a few weeks ago with industry insiders to get their predictions for the year. According to Rick Sharga, CEO of CJ Patrick Company, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate will begin at 7%, decline slowly and unevenly throughout the rest of the year. Rates could come down to 6% by the end, depending on the economy. According to Dennis Shishikov, economics professor at the University of New York, it will average in 6.75% across the year. According to Selma Hepp, chief economist for CoreLogic, it will average around 6.6% and end the year around 6.35%. Nadia Evangelou, senior economist at the National Association of Realtors, predicts it to average around 6%. So for those of you optimistic that rates will come back down on January 20th after Trump takes office, Trump himself has acknowledged that he doesn't have control over interest rates. He did state president should have some influence over it. Quote, "I feel the president should at least have a say in there. I think that in my case, I made a lot of money. I was very successful, and I think I have a better instinct than in many cases people that would be on the Federal Reserve or the chairman." End quote. That was August 9th, 2024. So to sum up, rates will hover in the 6 to 7% range for the near future with no indication of dropping any lower. What's going on in the field? We're seeing a lot of sellers that were waiting till after the holidays to relist their homes and are now ready to go. Some are waiting until spring, like those with kids. The average sale price, $386,000, the median, $131,000. Previously, we saw homes selling for 93% of the original list price, meaning sellers are overpricing by 7%. December, it was 96% of original list, meaning sellers are getting more realistic about pricing. What's the housing market forecast? Overall consumer sentiment is acceptance that rates won't come down anytime soon. Reality set in. The reasons for moving people I've helped have nothing to do with rates. I've helped divorcing couples, buyers with growing families, first-time home buyers, sellers in pre-foreclosure, retiring, that want to move closer to family, that want to downsize. Even a couple that had buyer's remorse from 2021 and were ready for their dream house. Depending on who you ask. Home prices are forecast to appreciate in 2025. Zillow forecasts 2.6%, Realtor.com 3.7%, Redfin 4%, National Association of Realtors 2%. The market looks stable and opportunities out there for both home buyers and sellers. If you plan to open a new door in life, give me a call, 210-629-5622.